I've got the Jerpine dog ear cleaner wipes. And as you can see, Peyton's very excited about it. I'm going to teach you how to get your dog excited about it as well. So comes with two of these, total of 120 wipes. Let's open it up really quick. So there's the opening. So these are non-alcoholic. These are non-alcoholic with aloe vera added. So first off, first thing I want to say is they're wet, they're very moist. Let me just take one of these. They're very moist. So, and straight up. So he's excited. You know why he's excited? Because I use treats. That's a trick. Use treats to get your dog to view this as a positive experience. All right, Pete, can you sit down? Sit down. All right, stay there. Stay there. So you can see he knows there's a treat coming. He's sort of like, what's happening? What's happening? Boy. Good boy, Mr. Bob. And so I'll clean the other ear when we're off camera. As you can see, straight up, look at him. He's excited. He's like, oh my God, this is amazing. I want another one. Clean the other one. So as you can see, they're amazing. Highly recommend.